all, welcome back to my channel. It's so exciting to be back and to be back on YouTube. The video that I have posted for today was actually recorded in August 2020. I went on a hike / walk with my mom and my sister to Huddle Park Golf and Recreation. It is in Linksfield, Bedford. It was so awesome to be out in nature. This is my second video that I'm doing a hike. In August last year, we were very much still in high levels of lockdown. So it was nice to get out, and we actually did this quite often, my mom and my sister. And it was so much fun just to get out and to get out in nature, you know, versus being cooped up in the house. And, you know, it was good, all for the good benefits, you know, to stay safe and to stay healthy. But it was nice every once in a while to just go out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I've added some nice music to it, and you can just go on this tranquil walk that we went on. It was so awesome and it was so lush. I can't wait to go back there. It was really, really a nice experience, and I've definitely come to see that I have a love for hiking, and I hope to do a video like this sometime soon again. guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you found it to be just as peaceful and calming as we did. It was so awesome just to have a nice chat and just to walk down and go see all the beautiful things that nature has to offer, the dam, and that was super awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to put a thumbs up and to subscribe to my video and to leave your comments down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.